Page 102, March of the Toreadors. Here we're getting another exercise in transposing. This time is for E-flat alto saxophone. We've done this before. No big deal, I hope. Just remember that an E-flat alto saxophone is called such because of the transposing part. So when the alto saxophone plays a C, it comes out as an E-flat on a piano. It's a major sixth down to be the same pitch. I generally think up a minor third because it's closer, but remember as far as the actual pitch goes, it's down. It's not that, it's that. That's why it's called an E-flat alto. So here we're going to transpose this for E-flat alto, E-flat instrument. It could be any E-flat instrument. What I can do is the relationship between the two is a major sixth apart. So I can simply change the key signature. This is in the key of C major. Well, I'm going to need it to be in the key of E-flat major because it's a sixth, because that's what it's sounding. E-flat major is 3 flats. So anytime I play any of these notes, a B, an E, or an A, I'm going to play flat. Then I can simply take the note down a sixth and play it from there. And a better way to do it, if you're going to do that, though, is to figure out where your starting point is. It says it's a G, so if I go down a sixth from a G, I get that, a B flat. Well, there's a B flat and E flat scale. And once I have the starting note, I can just follow the pattern in the music. I'm going up a step, down a third, whatever it is, so it's here. And I'm playing in the key of E flat, so these are the flats. Playing in the key of E flat, following the patterns. It's here, up a second, down a third, then seconds. Up a second, down a third, up a fourth, third. I'm just following the intervals. You can do that too. Take a look at measure, 11, where you're here. Then we have the accidentals. Well, that can throw us. The accidental, remember, just takes the note up or down a half step from where you're at. So if it's a sharp, which it is, we're going to go up a half step from where we normally are in the key we're playing in. We're playing in the key of E-flat major. So on those sharps, when I play that F, I'm going to play an F sharp because normally in E-flat major it's an F, so I go up one. And in the A sharp, here I'm going to play an A natural because in the key of E flat major, it's normally an A flat. So I'm going to take it up a half step here. So it's an F sharp here. And that's all that means. So just, you have to be careful on the accidentals to go up or down a half step in the key you're in. In measure 9, the C, and then the B sharp, well, in the key of E flat major, it's a B flat. So I'm going to take it up a half step and play a B natural. Yeah, and that's the way those work. They're a little tricky, but that's how it works.